Hi everybody, today I will show you how to use Gemini in Google Sheets. So let's begin. So, Gemini in Google Sheets is a built-in AI assistant that can help you build formulas, organize data, and even generate entire spreadsheets just by typing what you want in plain English. Quick note before we start, this feature needs a paid Google One AI premium plan or a workspace business plan. So if you don't see the Gemini icon, that's likely why. Now, open any Google Sheet, look at the top right corner here, and you'll see a sparkle icon that says Ask Gemini. Click on that and a side panel opens up. Now, from here, you can either pick one of the suggested prompts Gemini shows you or just type your own request in the box at the bottom. So for example, if I want a formula, I could type something like create a formula that adds up column B where column A says sales and hit enter. Once you hit enter, Gemini will generate the formula for you and even explain how it works. And if you're happy with it, click insert and it drops straight into your selected cell. And if you want a different version, just hit retry. Now, you can simply see that Gemini automatically added this formula to cell C1. Now, you can also start the same process right from a cell. Just type the equal sign in any cell and Gemini suggestions will pop up automatically. You can see you can click here on generate a formula and explain what formula you want, or just type in equal and Gemini will give already existing formula that you can click on and the calculation will be done on that basis. Now, beyond formulas, Gemini can also build entire structured tables for you, things like project trackers, budgets or schedules. Just describe what you need in the prompt box and once Gemini generates that specific thing that you want, click insert to add it to your spreadsheet. Now, you also get the option for Gemini at the top here. Once you click Gemini, you can click on Analyze Data. Gemini will instantly analyze it. You can click here again, choose Solve an optimization problem, generate entire chart, generate an image using Gemini, generate a formula, summarize text, categorize text, add sentiment of text, generate text, and you can ask something else here. You can also click on Preferences and choose your preferences for how you want to use Gemini. Now, one day before you start experimenting, go to File, then navigate to Version History and name your current version first. This gives you a safe point to roll back to if Gemini makes a change that you don't want. So, that's how you use Gemini in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.